going on, guys? Today's another new day. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you again for watching. It's been almost a year now since the last time we went autocrossing, and today we're doing it again. So I'm packing up all my stuff, and then we're gonna go meet up with some other guys along the way. Stop by Cars and Coffee, check that out for a little bit, and then head on out to burn some rubber and carve some corners. Dada's gonna leave now. Can Dada get a kiss? Thank you. I completely forgot to empty out my car, so I gotta do that real quick too. I'm actually running behind schedule, so I apologize, or I'm gonna have to apologize to the guys that are waiting for me. So, get in the car. Alright guys, so we're gonna hit the road. I'm gonna meet the guys at one of the gas stations, head up to Cars and Coffee and check out some of the rides there, because that's on the way to Autocross. Maybe get a coffee too, because it's still morning. It's like 9:40-ish right now. I can use some coffee or some caffeine to wake me up a little bit. Alright guys, so we finally made it to Cars and Coffee. I got Grant with me.
What's up, peeps?
He's never made an appearance on the channel before, so this is the first time. He drives the, what is it, 1989?
Yeah.
Camaro, so we'll see that on the course later today. We figured we'd just stop up here, take a look at some of these cars, because I think they hold Cars and Coffee like every other Saturday.
Yeah.
The crowd's nice. You know, you're surrounded by people of all different types of backgrounds and just a little mix of everything. So we got more of the gang here. Once again, Ryan, just get the profile, or that doesn't matter, I guess. I think the cameras are, yeah, we're good.
How my calves
once again.
Calisthenics. Time to look at my calves. Take on my shins. How they look.
Pretty good. Alright, so we stopped at Sunoco here. Some of these guys needed to get gas. So we were rolling 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's 7 of us rolling to this spot. It's supposed to be a really busy day today. We're gonna head out, so see you guys when we get there. Alright guys, so we finally made it out here. I set up everything. I already did my first runs. I didn't get a chance to actually videotape and show you that we're all here, but we're all here now. They're doing group 1 drivers. I am 3 more groups away. Ryan took his Mustang out, and he, how'd you do?
The current track record with a 40.6. Plus 15. Seconds. Yeah, so I think my best time first laps were 55.5. Yeah, so
he's right behind me, and that's pretty bad because this is my second time out. But I'm 52.2. So
yeah, I had you in the car, so
that's true. Yeah, wait.
Weight addition.
Oh no, there's a wasp next to me. We have a decent group here. We have obviously the TLs here, Peak Design SX tail lights here. Ryan's Mustang. One of the other guys' name's En Route. This is a Civic Type R limited edition. This is one that's like basically track ready. And then you got another Evo 10 here. We walk over here, Brandon's Evo. Check out the new wheels.
Smack it and they coming off. Smack it.
The wet sports.
That white FRS ran a 43.
Yeah, and he doesn't have a lot of power. He has like not even half your power. Dude, you have a lot of power. Going off the line, that thing sounds like a monster.
Well, the very first time I went, I guess the tires weren't warm or anything, but I lost traction, and I lost traction in second too.
You're probably actually losing time like that. I was spinning through first, and I actually when I hit the 45, I actually slowed down launching.
So you think that I should get in the second as fast as I can?
No, just like don't go full throttle, like feather. You don't want to lose that much traction. You're actually losing time.
Short shift a little bit.
Okay.
If you're shifting at 6, maybe try 52. up to 55.
Are you supercharged or turbocharged?
Supercharged.
You got a low end torque?
Yeah.
I was right behind you.
Yeah.
And your back looks so clean. the lights are nice. The duckbill's nice. Then you got the carbon fiber thing on the where the license plate is.
Yeah.
It looks so clean.
Thank you.
The color's nice. It's very nice. And that's the kind of design I like. So I don't like the way the Type R looks. It's got too much on it.
Are you gonna call stuff out, or are you just gonna see how I drive first and then?
Yeah. Just see what you're doing instinctively.
Okay.
Any kind of in between as far as when you're on the gas and on the brake. So if you're on the gas, you don't want to come off the gas until you have to brake. Okay. So you don't want to come off the gas and kind of coast and then brake. Okay. It's just off on, off on. That first left to go into the slalom.
Yeah.
You kind of just came off the gas completely.
Hey, what group are you guys?
4.
4?
Yeah.
Oh, did he just call?
Yeah, he called 4.
So you came off the gas completely and just kind of coasted around.
Yeah.
So you want to kind of try to keep a little bit of power, as much power as you can keep the car
without losing. Without losing.
Without losing. Without wheel spinning. Without understeering. Your slalom, you got to be a little bit more direct. You're going way too far out.
Oh, really?
You want to keep the cones right next to the car.
Okay.
As much as you're comfortable with, obviously. Sure. You don't want to hit them, you know, but you're going way too far out in that slalom, and it's costing you a lot of time.
Yeah, you're right. I am being a little too smooth, like.
A little bit too smooth, and little bit too cautious. Which, I mean, that's okay, you know.
I feel that way. Like, I feel I'm being cautious.
Yeah. Because, you know, none of us is getting paid to do this, right? This is our cars.
That's true. You know? That's true.
Same thing, like, you know, when I was running on the big track with my bike. Yeah, I want to go and try to set a lap record, but also I got to go to work tomorrow. Yeah. This is my bike, you know. I'm not getting sponsored to do this. Try to keep it a straight line. That's okay. That slalom was better. There you go. Full power. Go. Great. There you go. There you go.
I lost it there.
That's all right.
What the heck is this?
Yeah. A little bit more brake. Okay. Just a little bit longer. Slow down just a little bit more, and you'll be able to make that turn, get into that slalom. That slalom was better this time.
Okay.
That was good. That was way better than your first one. What you just did over what you did on the first run gained massive time.
Okay.
So this time, you know, do what you're comfortable with. You don't have to try to the needle through it. Do what you just did. That was good enough. And then the brakes, just a little bit more.
Okay.
That's it.
This is much.
There you go. Nice.
Oh, yep, I lost it there.
Ryan has it right now. 50.5. I was 50.7.
No, he just said I beat it. But I.
Oh, I'm sorry. He was 51.5. I was 51.7. I'm sorry.
50.8 or something.
All right, I'm coming for you, baby.
All right, guys. So we finished the second run of Group 4, which is the group that I'm in, and I got 50.8 or something like that. We'll check on the GoPro, but you guys can see in that footage that I actually lost control in the slalom. Not a big deal, but considering I lost control and still made that time is actually pretty decent. So I can imagine, or I can't even imagine what the time would have been if I didn't lose control at all. The car's doing really well. The suspension's great, the tires are great. I did actually rub a little bit on the rear quarter panel. So I got another battle scar right here. I'm not too worried about it though. Yeah, I'm not too worried about it at all, to be honest. I actually have Marlon, the guy with the blue Evo. He actually sat in the car with me and gave me some pointers. Apparently he was saying I was a little too smooth, or I'm a little too smooth in general. He said I need to be more aggressive on my braking. So I'm gonna do that next time. Hopefully I can get another run in before they end the event. If not, then we will continue this another time. We ran into another TL over here. And this guy actually has his own channel, so
hey, Jonah.
Say hello to Sam.
Hey, how's it going?
This is GTSam. What is it?
You got it, GTSam.
GTSam.
Yeah.
I'll put his information in the description. You guys should go and visit his channel and subscribe. He has some pretty interesting videos as well. He does a lot of tinkering with cars. I think the last one he was doing like a series video of like the Jaguar.
Oh yeah, you got it. Salvage Jag that went completely wrong.
What did you call it? You said earlier it was like a...
Yeah, it was a big British brick.
That's yeah, British brick.
Yeah.
That's funny. But this car, okay, so how long have you had this? This is a Acura TL.
It is.
What year is this?
It's my Acura TL 2004 automatic.
So it's a 2004, same as my car, but this one's an automatic. What have you, how long have you had it?
This I've had for about, has to be going on in 6 years now.
6 years?
Yeah.
How many owners?
I think it's just 2. I'm like the second. Yeah, I'm the second one.
Same here, second.
Nice. That's what's up.
We take a look at the engine bay.
Absolutely. So I was just kind of looking at this. It looks like kind of like a mutt compared to your guys. Yours. All in all, what I really did is, so we got the optimum battery. So I just unplugged the EGR valve, and then so this is from a 3.2 went up to a 3.7 liter intake.
And this is from the older MDX, I'm assuming.
Yeah, it is. This is definitely the older MDX. So
still an upgrade though.
Yeah, it is.
Absolutely.
If that, you can definitely feel it. You can feel it off the line, especially just tracking it here.
Sure.
And then also we have a DC Sport cold air intake long arm. Only way to roll, you know. And then I went ahead and got a new got a Y pipe for the exhaust.
J-pipe. Okay.
Yeah, I think it was RV6. RV6 I got that
So
a long time ago.
Deleted the third cat, or?
I did delete the third cat. I have a race pipe on there as well.
Good
Yeah.
man. That's probably the most restrictive part on our car is the J-pipe. Well, unless you want to go into PCDs, but if you're talking legality issues, J-pipe's the way to go.
Yeah, the J-pipe, yeah. So I went ahead and got rid of that. I gave it something a lot better. And then I went ahead and got rid of the resonators, and
Nice.
that is it. You know, that's all I've really needed to do. And that's kind of like, you know, in kind of like the budget-friendly realm
Sure,
in a way.
So it's a fun daily.
Yeah, absolutely
You would
is.
put it that way.
Yeah.
All right, well, it was nice.
Absolutely.
Nice talking to you. It was nice
Jonah.
seeing your TL, your beautiful TL.
Yes, thank
I
you
still
very much.
have love for the naturally aspirated base. Doesn't matter how stock it is. It's still a TL. A TL is a TL no matter what you do to it. All right, guys, that wraps up the video. We just finished autocrossing. The best time I think was 50.3, even though I lost some control. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And make sure you hit that notification button. That way you guys know when I post new videos. I appreciate it. Stay safe, stay healthy. See you next time.